Hi everyone, welcome back to We Like to Jimny. In this video, my daughter will be showing us
how to replace our front steering knuckle seals without even removing the wheel. Dad will be guiding us step by step through the way. Even if you don't know how to do this like me, he's going to help us. Let's do it. Now, if you've noticed grease leaking from around your knuckle, like here, or your steering feels a bit rough, that's usually a sign that the seal is worn out or damaged. Left untreated, this can cause dirt and water to get in, which leads to bigger issues down the line. So, replacing these seals is crucial to keeping your Jimny steering components protected and dampens your steering. Okay, let's get into it.
Okay, to replace this knuckle seal, you'll need this OEM kit. It comes in 3 parts. It's your knuckle seal split cover, the seal itself, and the retainer, seal retainer. You'll need a 10 spanner, a sharp blade, paintbrush, and a cloth for cleaning, and gloves.
Before you loosen the bolts there, just clean around that knuckle seal. You don't want dust to fall into the grease when you remove that seal cover. Remove those 8 10mm bolts.
Turn the wheel back so I can reach those back too. Cool.
Bend the knuckle seal cover, open that gap to pull that cover over the front axle.
Next is our rubber seal. And this one is uncut, so I'm just going to cut it over here. Careful not to cut into anything else. Inside here is our retaining plate. Pry it out using your knife, and there it comes. Found the opening similar to the cover, pull them apart and off. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe this excess grease, wiping from inwards outwards so that I don't get any of that dirt sticking on the outside in my knuckle. Dad, why does it look watery?
I think water got in there with our previous water 4x4ing. I might have to change that grease. But when we do the kingpin bearings, yeah, then we'll replace all the grease and clean everything out nicely.
Okay, now take your retainer. This retainer needs to go back like so, with this outer ring pointing outwards. Easiest way is to open it like this and go from the bottom. Make sure it's fully opened, and there you have it. That's back on. Now I'm going to take my rubber seal. This one comes uncut. We're going to have to cut a slit, otherwise we won't be able to get this on here. I'm going to use my Stanley knife, cut it on a nice clean flat surface. Once that's cut, I'm going to slide it on. Wait, wrong direction.
And then those two cuts, your retainer plate and your seal, doesn't line up with each other. They must be about 10 degrees apart.
Okay, so there's one. Cuts up here. And the rubber also off center because our split seal is going to go through the center. Here's our first seal and our second one.
So those two splits is not together. Just put this cover plate on there, it will hold it there.
So while holding my rubber, I'm just putting in the first bolt with my fingers.
As easy as that.
Okay, that's one plate, and the next one. And the last one. And the last one. Okay, and then tighten them. Manual says tighten or torque them to 10 newtons. We do not have a torque that small. We're just going to tighten it till it's tight.
Yeah, tighten it until it strips, and you turn a little bit back. Not really a joke. It's a joke. Don't do that.
Please don't strip them. Okay, that's it. Now let's take a look at the before and after.
That's it. Well done. You just replaced the knuckle seals without removing the wheel.
Yeah, it's a quick fix and anyone can do it.
Now, if you guys, Jimnys are leaking a bit of grease from that knuckle seal, or you've got a shimmy shake on a steering wheel on a gravel road, this is the way to do it.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. After you've subscribed, you'll see a little bell notification. You just press that, and every time we drop a new video, you'll be notified.
Don't forget to comment if this video helped you. And if you guys are into 4x4ing or anything adventurous with the family or anything Jimny, you're in the right place.
Yeah. Here, right
Yeah,
here.
100%. See ya.
We like to Jimny, we